Okay, math is everywhere. Continued Pythagorean theorem. We talked about in other videos. You're going to need formulas for stuff. Okay, volts times amps equals watts. Remember it. This is Pythagorean theorem. This is to teach you to find the missing side of a triangle. Okay, if you're on the ground and you're looking at a tree and you want to guess how tall it is and you happen to have a rangefinder in your pocket, you can walk this far over, check the range on it, and assume this height. Okay, if you know this height and you walk this far out, so you know this distance, you can find out how far it is to the top. This is helpful for me. I used to cut down trees, okay, and I used to be a tower dog, which means I would climb communication towers, and sometimes I had to replace this wire. Okay, and when I cut down trees, you have to make sure you have enough safe distance. So you have to assume how tall that tree is. You got to find that out before you start. Math is important. Someone will get hurt if you don't do it. You can guess all you want, but you're playing a game of luck. This is an ABC triangle. It counts on having a 90-degree angle somewhere. Okay, A side is the ground, B side is the tower or tree, C side is the fall distance, or for my tower days, guy wire distance. I replace these a lot. A times A is A squared, 30. 30 times 30, 900. Okay? B squared is 40 times 40, 1600. 900 plus 1600 equals C squared, which is 2500. 50 times 50 is 2500. If you have 2, you can calculate 1. If you have 2, you can calculate 1. This is very useful, okay? The more adventures you go on, the more stuff you get into, the more math you're gonna need. I need to know how many batteries to bring for how many cuts I plan on making for a tree. How many branches does that tree have on average? How much time will that take? How much weight does it take? Math never stops. You're gonna need it. I will show you more formulas. You gotta subscribe. Jump in. I'll show you a lot. There's plenty to learn. And it's past the math too, okay? I'll show you physics. I know some crazy stuff. I was a tower dog. I know how to move all kinds of stuff with simple machines. I had a heck of a boss. He showed me all types of stuff. I'd be happy to show you, but you gotta sub.